Over the years, we've made apple fritters, we've made corn fritters, we've even made banana fritters that we dipped in peanut butter. And today, I'm excited to share our recipe for baked bean fritters, which goes perfectly with everything from hot dogs to, well, just about everything. The first thing we do is combine some flour, baking powder, a few eggs, and some salt and pepper. After that's mixed, we add a couple cans of baked beans that we've drained really well, some chopped onion and green pepper, a bit of brown sugar, and a little garlic powder. Make sure you save the sauce from the baked beans because you'll need that later. Now we drop heaping spoonfuls of this into the skillet. Once they're golden on one side, we flip them. When both sides are done, we drain them on a wire rack and that's it. We can even make these ahead of time and reheat them in a low oven. Talk about the perfect go-along to just about anything. And when you serve these with the sauce from the beans, boy, are you ever in for a treat. To get this fun recipe for baked bean fritters, head over to our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an unexpected yet tasty way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Hot.